Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Just A Foodie. From today onwards, I will share 5 different smoothie bowl recipes with you all. And for day 1, I will share strawberry smoothie bowl. And for that, we need frozen bananas and strawberry syrup. Here we are not using any sugar because banana is already sweet and strawberry syrup is also sweet. So if you want, you can add it. First of all, we are adding all the ingredients in the mixing jar, then blend it until it becomes smooth. If you like this recipe, then please do like, share and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please click the bell icon to get all the notification related to this channel. Our strawberry smoothie bowl is ready. Tomorrow I will come with another smoothie bowl recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye and have a great day.